SMS yetu ya magana maya ya Chinsa Isano Ibere ekero lituko lya Jumamosi digi yanse meredibina nigo endete gutwara lituko lya oli toereru ekera abande mwarure kanisa ekera abande baroberi tukwende kanisa lituko lyangi ekero litariki 12 motiyenyino yo 11 mu mwaka wa 2022 na kware ni SMS magana maya ningo mayina lyali atekirikulia kete gwekabone no kuboli kwanena irachinga cyao cyabene oramanya na lyante watekaime na isko ya gusinyurana na bakwana gutubwatia sense meli mitandao Facebook kutonyora Ndizi TV News Digital paiga sensemo ya YouTube na bakotonyora Ndizi TV News okonya chinga kito tweet @Ndizi TV News paiga kerengel kyao kendra ko getuma ngakenda tukubwati merobiri yetu gwetira se namba yera se screen ya igora boyora sensemeli yomunwe manyelio niga kwa Joshua Auta no yokwene kuna mali ugine jibijago chira senjira ya bene na Abigail Nyanchama na nchiriane Brighton Makori. Oyo kabairu mubunge okitutu cha Chinoti chiminuru angwenyi nigo bananyarira kuboli anena barai kurwa sorongorwa Gusii ojamo na ukwana eriogi erimoka ukwana apolitikure ora segeti kya Gusii stadium asomo yega bwoko mweni Charles Kichana oyo kabairu munyabiasara monena se county ya Kisii jiminuru angwenyi nigatetabuna abagusii gotakwana no munu oyomo nigo yairire kuburwa gosigotaywa mabaga manene ya serikali niga yakwana taya nagateyabuna anene ekerumuraibwe Dr. William Ruto anyarithika kubwatu kama lieta ya wale chukaba principal secretaries nigo yerete na Gusii no yeno yomo tanyorete getali asokwe wekerwe kyo kolengana nere nigateruna Gusii nigatakwanete niriogi erimo yikairira Gusii gotanyora libagerio
Gusii bali bose mule amo aba Gusii bose bajoro kuri yumbe awao monyora ne amo kumo kubuli ndikyo Gusii mwaboli mule amo untako genkoyo onde onye ne paraboko bolia mwaboli mule amo onye ne memoko boli mwaboli mule amo munabona abantu mbachore tu bakabachi PS ngajikoboli ngankyo mushara jore tu ngategwa Gusii bare ko genkana kwagenda ro kwate bachimi undoge ndaro te bongwai undoge ndote bonde Makori akarosanga ngindu kieke kwakwano bobwane kwakwano bobolia iliekagera mondo itachoru kuru independence ndwara komisia gotware PS ingakienere ntangani kuru independence ingakine twanyote PS yangenye igo lakini tukidio kiaba asenge njulia twangete asenge twara ko genkana igo bote mwe kana amo wajumbe bali muri ali mwezi mwakwa no munu oyomo
Ekerensingi megendete kuyari niko chiko chengera gosiko nyurali tukolia World AIDS Day yedigo korekana kira etarike yamo omotienyo 12 nigo bona ase county ya Kisii omoroberi yogendete kwariganiwa oyujo korekana ase wodi ya Ibeno yegotoka ase bunge ya Nyaribali Masaba ka Nyaribali chache ka okwana omo ward gose oyo omo ward osomo MC bwe ward eyo stiwalika nigateruna maligani ayo gakubwatera na serikali ya county ya Kisii nigagendete kwariganiwa asenseme yekerateruna bantu bachigwe sokia ende nonye no kolengwa kwa marwiro awo kuchikorekana litukerio edira chikope tarike yamo yomotienyo 12 omwaka oyo igalitukerio nigo lyabegetwe ensemo anenekaro likobekwa gose likureli emeroberio yabekirwe eligokora emechando egendete kubabwatia ane bali babwaturwire bwinyamoreo
esto ya nene yamene korongiki abantu baito bagusirwa asengincho gutamanya okumanya nakige tokolentera abantu bali basomerete amangane ya morira wao egere batosomi egere naitutumanya ewiki elio mwario bantu ntutwara matera tubwata abantu bamate gocharo konyuro bamate gokora obiti ebintu byonsi bikorekane ase wodi yebeno nondo bwato juice obwate etaranta yae ebisete achanyerente nkobangatore program nabagambi nabanyagitari na community health frontier workers tubwatira netorenga litukeli lyabere ligia na likiro muntu osomire ekariko ara kiro montaruo nakenda somire iko no ino burweire bonde bwensi koche gopimbu bole litukeli gwetere merobeli y'abanyagitari.
I'm Douglas Ojari, Acting Chief Ibeno location. Intro no mogoko. This round. Tuanyorile umoja uja kobera nyantro ko seitoma. O World AIDS Day. Yegale tarehe 1 December. So as a preparation kata siya MCA yetu mheshimiwa Steve Arika anya leo kutorwana kuleta sema. So bune location which host umoyegoyo ndoje ngantu ya Arika ntia senjera yobo ikera nubwenzi. So to abako gwero kamera once bali mwSP muranya libaga moche kitike nyantro nyandu stadium egige kurugularo nyandikaje Mayolo Sports Academy.
Abagendi b'ekigari kya taxi asomo ky'obosongo nigo bono banyorere abateneri abaiya aya nigago kyamagega yowakagikora buri tukurigoro asabarai ao bachoretwe na kori eira yogojikwena kibuna sekta ya taxi asomo ky'obosongo ngochore gukora gosingukire kogendere n'obukoreri bwaya senjera endonge bagwakambuya ko kyasomo gabana bwe county ya Kisii Paulo Simbarati anakira batebruna oboteneri anene as taxi niyo yabeiro mo cyanda samatuka kulinda krabage tikikude chine wasemere tubuna bono e taxi sector iyo ne chikolendo gosine chikutumeka buya gosine chikole mirimo yabu ya asomochi bosongo
unabeko bamuga banande yaba abande oborro ndiyo kana abasabe chikura twakorere bakorire ono mwatoire chingu katokorobo gambe taribo magana yoko nyakuruta na igatonya kumuzana ayataka tokonya the most important thing oyo choruzi your brother na hindu tuli jo gobara razum na bantu bako baita muna chisile goto kale gasto kare beki kuwana ine inje mune motisha ya nere botambe mone kere nto kia beire inko tro tu wana inji na bako gamba ato aki easy ya just there ko tanga gento kete ya kore ki ya bere gose bate ba 1 2 3 pinto mbinga tora jota kare muna bona chikomble ne chimo bwata we will handle them to teke teke ro monda be satisfied ngane chikora jya kore ki we aba ko mwezi boko chikotoka nye chikora chikoira ne unacho kore ki toiwana ine lakini njiko iro ebitino bwata kore ki iga ebintu ngemo kora kwana ko chuma okwana ngai stage ne yangi nango karibo entina boto ko bol kitwa keru chikora no boro stage ne yangi nango toiwana ine igo ntori kora monde yatongo tane buya nyasa to bwate sokore binde igo chimo
mana sengencho aba 90 ba decide reki ba decide gongo saba Kisii County government esike decision ya stakeholders we Kisii County transport whatever actually they have decided that them be respected by the county government of Kisii.
Ekero bon inse ya Kenya nechi county awajigendrete kwa nomurakera amo ninjara nigabono ekanisa ya Salvation Army Church yanyarege koboria aba Kenya bari babwate indagera banyare bakwena na chindagere chiko cyase bari bagendrete kwa nomujando bwenjara sinsemo awo baukwana nenase county ya Kisii ekero babwatogo chengera ko bokoreri bwekanisa iyo nigabono batebiruna nerebu ya aba Kenya bari bamoyo muya kosira bari batabwati indagere iyo openda Samuel no yomo bwabali bakwenda sekanisa iyo nando deruna mbuya aba Kenya gosirwa bali batabwati amo na kwegwa indagera ikiagera muchando ini wenda takwenda kwa sense ya Kenya.
Tumesaidika maana jeshi la wokovu walikuwa wakisaidia vilema watu wasiojiweza, hata mashule wanaleta pesa. Kwa hivyo ni watu ni kanisa ambalo linasaidia wananchi. Project Zipco kusomesha watoto ambao hawajiwezi, hata kama visiwi wale watoto ambao hawajiwezi, ndio hizo project tunayo.
We were able to help Turkana County. So we thank God who He has done to us today. What we have done today, we never expected it, but by God's grace, people have committed themselves in giving to God in our preparation for helping suffering humanity without discrimination. In relationship to that, we came up with a program to respond to a drought to relieve parents from struggle in paying school fees for their children through a project called Food for Fees. This was done in 62 schools in Turkana North Sub-County, in Turkana County.
Rekera borokia baendete kuyarigania gusa borokio baendete kwerenu jasa matema manene yo mwako yoiga nigobono ewisara yegisemi wetero wasiri wegisemi esekiri majogu anyariga koraribu nemero berio nigobono ya bekirwe bene kwena matema yo manene kugera okorekana abuna arobererie.
But all arrangements are well. We have been able to deploy enough personnel, of course, adequate center managers as confirmed by none other than the CEO of Teacher Service Commission, and also the supervisors and the invigilators. Even them, Your Excellency, sir, this time round we said they will be personally held accountable, such that as they open the papers, particularly the second paper, they will be able to indicate what time they opened it, and they also, it will also be witnessed by the security personnel, such that without the checks and the balances, we hope that we will be able to deliver something that Kenyans will be proud about, because, Your Excellency, education is key, and we cannot be able to entertain, we cannot be able to accommodate any kind of malpractice, any kind of leakage, any kind of thing that will be able to compromise the integrity of this national exam.
Majogo yorugo kwa na burit kurigora sense media mutiani aus nigobona tebetebuna boiberi mbori chikobororo asama temwa yasa tebiria babwatani bonsi bichsemi ikwene kibune kara matemwa yugo chiko chaka nkore ndware na kwene kibuna onde bwensi ora chigo tema kokorobo sari go sikoibera na chikwirwe tambogero egatindi.
This as formally started, and we say to the county commissioners here and the directors of education, sir, that the 493 storage centers and the distribution centers that we have in the country, actually their work starts as they are opening the container. That is when the work starts. And from there on, until each and every paper is done, that we will be able to expect monitoring and very close cooperation amongst all the government agencies, such that each and every day they are reporting that all is okay. And so we also came up with a new system where we said each and every one of them, and each and every one of them, including the security personnel going to man the centers, will be personally accountable.
Omokonyi bumurai bwense rigatigashwa nigobona boriria barai ao na babwatani bechinsemo abo kubwatira na ili kwena kibona ngosira bana magendera sense yetu ya Kenya nereka kwa na burit kurigoro anekero ikiraneta sense media mtiani au siakarbar kubeke meroberio segosira chisemi nigadero na babwatani abo ise kubwatira na sense ya Kenya nigense ya Kenya era kinie birengo byaye bya magendera.
And I also want to confirm to our development partners that the President, in his wisdom and in recognition of the very useful role you play in this country, has given me a function in my office to coordinate the development partners and make interventions where necessary across government so that we move things. The President has instructed us that we should make our engagement with our development partners as seamless and easy as possible, so that you are not all over in government ministries trying to make connections and it's becoming cumbersome. So our office remains open, and no development partner, no foundation, nobody should fail to support the people of Kenya for lack of attention. And that is why the President has upgraded that coordination to the presidency at my office.
Omowasiri bo werani eridi owa eriud owaro nigobona nyarire kawate abuna ensemo ya Nyanza neneruo Nyanza nigera chikonyora magenderero amange ase serikali gosikubatikana serikali ya Kenya Kwanza kaukwana ase county iliyo mabeya buri tukuri gorekera igeta senseme yukwena na chindagira hanne abali banyaruto mochando kubatikana netoigo ya beta senseme roje rwanyando nigobono eruid anyandeka atabone serikali ya Kenya Kwanza nigero beredie amagenderero amange asensemo ya Nyanza kubatikana gosikubwa amatuko amagega.
Will happen under William Ruto's government. We were here with the president 2 months ago, and we will be coming back here again next month to launch the affordable housing program while working in partnership with the county government. We are going to work together with all local leaders, elected and non-elected. We are going to ensure that there is adequate level of cooperation between the national government and the county government, because both levels of government are charged with the responsibility of ensuring that there is adequate provision of services to the people. Maneno ya siasa itangoja 2027. The politics we want to do now is politics of the economy.
Omwak Bishop bekanisa ya Kianglican ore sapit ni gobana nyarire ga koboria abakenya bonsi gochamo na korusia mangana ya siasa ali nyarire ga kwera kaukwana ase county ya Narok kaburi tukuregoro ni gatete buna nirebuye ekera abakenya barura sensema ya siasa gochamo eri kwegenderia kimagenderero gosikobeke mirubiri abakonye kimagenderero.
Tumekuja kukutana baada ya uchaguzi ambayo imepita, na tunajua uchaguzi mara kwa mara inawacha jamii nyingi zikiwa zimetengana na zikiwa na maoni tofauti na hisia mbalimbali, lakini sisi tunaona ni vyema kama jamii ya kaunti zote tutafute kuwa na uwiano, tuwe na umoja na tuendelee kufanya mambo yetu kwa mambo ambayo itakuwa ya manufaa kwetu sisi na itakuwa manufaa kwa watoto waliosaliwa na wale ambayo bado watasaliwa. Basi siku hii ya leo tukaona ni vema tuangazie mambo ambayo inaweza kutusaidia kuchangia kupatikana kwa umoja wa jamii na umoja yetu katika kukaa kwetu katika kaunti hii na kaunti zingine.
Azinga gejejo horeza bitni gaboriri abarai bari banyarete bakubwa sobochori bwetete na kubeke bina kubirusiororo ikyagere bine bine obirachi kokora chingaki na kwirania magenderero magega.
Kuomba yeyote ambaye ameweka kesi juu ya mwingine katika jamii hii kotini kwa sababu ya mambo ya siasa na uchaguzi uliopita, tumekuja kukaa chini viongozi hao wote na kusema tuondoe kesi hizo ili tuweze kutafuta namna na mbinu ambayo tutakaa chini tena baada ya hii kutafuta umoja ya wale wote ambao wanaongoza, kwa sababu tuna imani na tunaamini ya kwamba watu wakikaa pamoja wataweza kufanya mambo yao makubwa na kuachieve katika nyanja zote ambayo watakuwa wanaendelea. Lakini watu wakitengana itakuwa ni mfurutano ya hapa na pale na hakuna mtu atanufaika, na watoto wetu wale wamesaliwa na hawajasaliwa watakosa nafasi ya kuingia.
Hoi kabono to ikomweri wa mangana ito yens Chinsa Isano Ibere chabono basukonde nyinage kuraga Chinsa ikomi chabono marawawa ninchikwira na semese mangana yangu manyi unaendete kwatuka imena isiko ya Gusii kubodi kwa nagenda kurira Ndizi TV nero bwansu bomba Gusii ekiagere na TV ekoretera mangana bunagwateka imena isiko ya Gusii inyorana nabakana kutubwate sensemo ye mitandao Facebook kutonyora Ndizi TV News Digital waiga sensemo ya YouTube na bakotonyora Ndizi TV News okonyachinga kito tweet @Ndizi TV News waikerenga likiao ni kutukia nendikireza kireteka gwetera se namba irase skrini ya igora ngwa kerambye mana sevonsi bari bagera mangana ya gwikira senjira yo gwikiranu andonse soberde ngo saberna genda gutware sabato ingia itabwati birukunyo binde bwenzi gusesa gasagende yonzi oyorenga sense meri umuntu wimanyerero nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta no yoene kibuna chibicha na mari ya gochira senjira ya bene na bigairi nyanchama na nchiriane Brighton Makori.